was day 12 of the rescue operations. For the first 9 days, the entire environment around this Silkyara tunnel was actually very gloomy, as there was very little to no progress that was made by the rescuers for at least the first 9 days. On the 10th and the 11th day, we saw that the light at the end of tunnel was getting brighter. But out here, on the 12th day, the light seems to be going far away. Yesterday, the American auger machine, which was going through its drilling processes, actually encountered with 3 to 4 levels of steel plates, which meant that it was not able to go ahead and drill through it, and hence the machine got damaged. Post that, the rescuers physically went inside and made sure that this entire metal plate is cut down through gas cutters and through hydraulic cutters. But yes, this was an Herculean task at hand, and it took at least 6 to 8 hours for them to actually cut through the debris that had collected over there. Post that, again we saw that the drilling operation started yet again. But over the next 1.8 meters, the operations yet again came to an halt, as the American auger machine again resisted a lot of pressure, and hence the drilling was stopped. After analysis, the experts thought that they can actually put more pressure through it and make sure that whatever debris is over there, they can get through it. But the results that came out, that was something really very unexpected. The platform on which the American auger was working, that platform actually broke down, which meant that the entire process has come to a grinding halt at this point in time, ladies. What we are being told at this point in time, that a new platform is being built at this point in time. This actually takes somewhere around 6 to 8 hours. Post that, it will take 4 hours to reassemble the American auger machine on that platform. So over the next 12 hours, we cannot expect any sort of drilling to happen, which means that the people who are stuck inside the tunnel for the last 12 days will continue to stay inside for at least the next 12 to 16 hours. Even at this point in time, if everything goes according to the plan, the visuals of the first people coming out will come no lesser than in the next 16 to 18 hours itself. So yes, we have seen that the rescuers had made a lot of progress when it comes to the drilling process. From 22 meters, we were able to get to the mark of 45 meters in a short span of time. But over the last 24 hours, the rescuers have been able to dig through only 1.8 meters through the debris. Now, what is the plan of action? The rescuers continue to plan that the easiest way to get anywhere close to where these people are stuck at this point in time is through the drilling process that is happening from the Silkyara end of this tunnel. At this point in time, the drilling operations have stopped, but the rescue operations are still ongoing. The machine, or the platform on which the machine was working on, that platform has broken down, and at this point in time, the work to reconstruct that platform is ongoing. Once that platform is constructed, another 4 hours for the auger machine to be re-established, and then the drilling process would start. Experts believe that the entire debris that they have to dig through at this point in time is somewhere around 57 to 60 meters. At this point in time, 8 pipes have already gone inside the debris, whereas the welding process, the arc welding process that is being used, that has been applied on the 9th pipe as well. But the 9th pipe has still not been drilled inside. Experts believe that they'll need at least 10 pipes to actually get to the position where they want, from where it would be safe for the workers to finally be taken out. Now, if the workers are taken out, the plan of action is already ready. A team of NDRF along with the paramedics would initially go inside the tunnel to the exact location where these people are stuck, but before that, the entire pipe would be cleaned. Because you see, as the tunnel that has been drilled in, that tunnel, as it goes inside the debris gets inside the pipe as well, which means that it is not at all safe for anyone to get inside it until and unless it is clean. So first, the pipe will be cleaned with water or air pressure, and post that, the NDRF team along with the paramedics would go inside, and then the paramedic would actually go ahead and decide who is the person who needs the medical attention the most, and hence that person would be handpicked and would be sent out first. Now, how would they be sent out? The NDRF has all the plans ready. the NDRF has made sure that they have stretchers which have wheels attached on them, and these stretchers would be sent inside along with a rope that would be attached to the top end of that stretcher, which would be outside. The rope would be outside at the location from where this entire rescue operation is happening. Now these people would be harnessed, put on that stretcher, and people would start pulling them out. So it is expected that if everything goes according to plan, it will take somewhere around 1.5 to 2 hours for all these 41 workers to come out from the location they are stuck in, which is at least 60 meters behind the debris. So yes, there is a lot of task in hand, a lot of things needs to be done, but first of all, we are fighting a fight against Mother Nature. The biggest machines in the country are not able to dig through the debris that is over here, especially in the Himalayan terrain, and that has become one of the most basic cause of concern for the rescuers at this point in time. Initially, after the intervention of the PMO, the plan was made that work would start from all the 5 sides, but the progress that was made by the American auger machine in a short period of time, when it reached the 45-meter mark, the work on all the other sides was stopped just to make sure that the seismic activities inside the tunnel does not hamper it. But yes, the American auger machine has still not been successful in drilling that entire 900 mm and 800 mm diameters pipe through the 57 to 60 meter of debris that it was expected to be. Over the next few hours, it is expected that the construction work would come to an end, the construction work of the platform would come to an end, and then the drilling operation will start. With all fingers crossed, we are still hoping that now, hopefully, this was the last obstacle that we and the rescuers had to face before reaching out to the people who are stuck inside. The experts believe that once the 52-53 meter mark is breached, then it is going to be a really easy job for them to actually drill through the entire remaining piece of debris. So what remains to be seen is to how quickly can the rescuers make sure that they reach to the people who are stuck inside for more than 12 days now, although food and essentials have been supplied to them. But yes, staying inside a tunnel for 12 days definitely takes a lot of toll, and we hope and pray that all of them are taken out safely.
मीटर जो पाइप है ऑगर मशीन के उसके कारण से जा चुका है और रेस्क्यू अब अंतिम चरण में है। कुछ बाधाएं आ रही हैं, हम भगवान से प्रार्थना करते हैं कि जल्दी से जल्दी वो पूरा हो और जल्दी से जल्दी हमारे सभी श्रमिक भाई सकुशल बाहर आएँ। यहाँ पर उनके बाहर निकलने के लिए सारे इंतजाम किए गए हैं, एम्बुलेंस तैयार है, अस्पताल भी पूरी तरह से उनके इलाज के लिए और जो भी चेकअप वगैरह होने हैं वो सब हम लोग कर रहे हैं। उनके परिजनों से भी लगातार हमारे प्रशासन के लोग, स्थानीय लोग, सभी लोग उनका मनोबल बढ़ा रहे हैं और हमारा प्रयास है और सारे विशेषज्ञ इसमें लगे हुए हैं, पूरे मनोयोग से काम कर रहे हैं, पूरी मेहनत से कर रहे हैं। रात दिन रेस्क्यू चल रहा है। माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी प्रत्येक दिन इसका अपडेट लेते हैं, पूरी जानकारी लेते हैं और लगातार चिंता करते हैं कि जल्दी से जल्दी हो भी कि सभी लोग सकुशल बाहर आए। और आज भी माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने अभी जानकारी ली है, उनको अवगत कराया है और हमारे यहाँ पर लगे हुए सारे विशेषज्ञ जो बाहर से भी आए हुए हैं उन सभी का भी क्योंकि बड़ा इसमें योगदान है। निश्चित रूप से सभी का कठिन इस चुनौती को सभी लोग जो है अपना मानकर उस पर काम कर रहे हैं और हमें लगता है कि ईश्वर की कृपा से जल्दी ही जो है ये सक्सेस होगा।
ऑगर मशीन का ऑपरेशन दोबारा शुरू हो गया है। तीन पाइप और 6-6 मीटर की जाने का हम एक जो एस्टिमेट लगा रहे हैं वो काम शुरू हो गया है। तो होपफुली बाय द एंड ऑफ द डे अगर और कोई चीज़ सामने नहीं आती है, कोई बड़ा पत्थर या और कोई गडर, तो आज इसको ऑपरेशन को शायद सफलता मिल जाएगी। ऑगर मशीन का ऑपरेशन दोबारा शुरू हो गया है, सो दैट इज़ अ वेरी गुड साइन। और तीन पाइप और 6-6 मीटर की जाने का हम एक जो एस्टिमेट लगा रहे हैं वो काम शुरू हो गया है। तो होपफुली बाय द एंड ऑफ द डे अगर और कोई चीज़ सामने नहीं आती है, कोई बड़ा पत्थर या और कोई गडर, तो आज इसको ऑपरेशन को शायद सफलता मिल जाएगी।
सर कल क्या ऑब्स्टेकल था वो और क्या रिमूव कर लिया गया है?
जो पहले इसकी छत बनी हुई थी उसमें आयरन रॉड्स लगी रहती हैं उसको रीइंफोर्स करने के लिए। तो जब कोलैप्स हुआ तो आयरन रॉड्स भी मलबे के साथ कोलैप्स हुई। उनमें से कुछ आयरन रॉड्स इस ऑगर मशीन के रास्ते में आ गई थी। तो ऑगर मशीन मलबे के थ्रू ड्रिल करने के लिए सक्षम है, लेकिन आयरन रॉड्स के कारण इसको भी नुकसान होने की पॉसिबिलिटी है। इसलिए उसको पाइप में घुस के हमारे जवानों ने और जो साथ में एजेंसीज हैं उन्होंने उसको काट के दूर किया ताकि ड्रिलिंग आगे बढ़ पाए।
सर कितना और वक्त लग सकता है? एक कुछ एस्टिमेट, कुछ प्रेडिक्शन सर?
एस्टिमेट करना मुश्किल है, लेकिन जिस तरह अगर काम चल रहा है और ऑब्स्टिकल रास्ते में नहीं आता है तो आशा है कि आज ये काम इसको संपन्न कर पाए।